Let's talk about protein, the building block of your muscles, hormones, and even your immune system. Most adults need about 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight if they're active, and closer to zero point 0.8 grams per kilogram if they're sedentary. That means a 150-pound person might aim for 80 to 120 grams per day. But here's the catch. It's not just about the total amount, it's about timing and quality. Spreading protein evenly across meals, say 25 to 35 grams per meal, helps your body actually use it for repair and growth. Focus on high quality sources: fish, eggs, lean meats, beans, lentils, and nuts. And remember, too much protein won't magically build more muscle. It just gets stored or excreted. The sweet spot is balance, enough to fuel recovery, but paired with whole foods, fiber, and healthy fats. Bottom line, protein is power, but strategy matters as much as the number.